This is DJ Sporty G with the Texas Fleet DJs on Press Start Radio. I'm grateful to present to you Southern Soul Lady Salutations. You are now clocked in and locked in with the Texas Fleet DJs on Press Start Radio.
Then you come with excuses. One too many lies in a row, and that's one too much for me. You see, no more giving second chances, no more leaving me abandoned. I'm done. Read the note that says I'm gone. See, I don't wanna hurt no more. This is Mr. Jody coming back. No, baby. You see, I don't wanna hurt no more. Yeah, right, yeah. We're gonna get it right. single line. I know I'm a good woman, and I know my worth. Yeah.
Hey, this is DJ Sporty.
They call me pain. That's why I'm singing this song today, to let you know, if you can't treat me right, baby, I'm living the single life. If you can't love me right, I'm living the single life. I've had a lot of heartaches, and I had a lot of pain. I made up in my mind, ain't going down no more. I'm living the single life. Yeah, I'm living the single life. I'm living the single life. I don't know if he's your man or mine, but he shows me a good time. I don't know if he's your man or mine, but he shows me a good time. I got a call the other day from a lady around the way. She said we're messing with the same man, and she's needing some understanding. She said she saw my number in his phone, and she wants to know what's going on. She said they've been together for about a year. She know I'm about to tell her something she don't wanna hear. I said, I don't know if he's your man or mine, but he shows me a good time. I don't know if he's your man or mine.
Okay.
But he
Leave your
shows
man
me
alone.
a good
How about you
time.
tell your man to leave me alone?
Baby, you can walk that man home. He'll be running back to me. 'Cause his heart got a lock on it. And you know I got the master key. So you said you got the wedding rings. What the that got to do with me? 'Cause his heart got a lock on it. You know I got the master key. You been sitting at home, waiting all day. But my baby here next to me with nothing to say. You can quit calling, 'cause we headed down 49 on our way to Gulfport to have us a good time. 'Cause baby, you can walk that man home. He'll be running back to me. 'Cause his heart got a lock on it. And you know I got the master key. So you said you got the wedding rings. What the that got to do with me? 'Cause his heart got a lock on it. You know I got the master key.
We've been sipping on wine, got me feeling real sexy, got me feeling in the mood, sitting next to my baby, but it's wrong, he ring, like he was in her mind, but baby we won't be home till Monday after checkout time.
'Cause baby, you can walk that man home. He'll be running back to me. 'Cause his heart got a lock on it. And you know I got the master key. So you said you got the wedding rings. What the that got to do with me? 'Cause his heart got a lock on it. You know I got the master key. 'Cause all right, give me that something just for me. Just for me. All night, baby. Something just for me. Just for me. Come on, early in the morning, I'll be do. You want me?
You know I want you, baby.
You're so good to me, baby. I'm so glad I can call you mine. All I wanna do is make sweet love to you, honey, all the time, yeah. In the midnight hour, let me love you like your love should. You get home next to me, sex me back to sleep, make it feel real, real good, yeah, baby. Alright, yeah, yeah. Give me that something, something just for me, just for me. Hey, baby, all night, baby. Something, something just for me.
We gon' have fun with
Can I
this.
tell you
Come on,
about
y'all. Some days, I'm crazy about you. Make me wanna say, my, 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 my. My, 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 my. Other days, you get on my last nerve. Make me wanna say, bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Hey, I know I can be a piece of work. I'm just a woman with so many emotions. You know just what I need to set my soul free. So calm me down and help me find some peace. If you don't mind, would it be fine if you just put some on my mind? I got time, can you come and put some on my mind? If you don't mind, would it be fine if you just put some on my mind? I got time, can you come and put some on my mind?
You must be smoking. Yeah, out your damn mind. Why you been out there creeping with Jody? I've been getting mine. You say you out with your friend, but you been getting it in. You say you been working out, but you ain't at no gym. I've been your fool, baby, for far too long.
met her today. You know, it took me a long time to get over you, but I did it, even when it hurt me the most. I'm sorry, but your love, it just don't hurt no more. I read your letter just the other day. I never thought it would happen to us, or had to be this way. You lied to me so many times. You even broke my heart. You knew you were lying to me, baby, from the very start. Oh, I gave you all of my love, all of my love, my mind, body, and soul. You took my love for granted. Oh, yes, you did. You buried my heart in the cold. I gave
I'll be right there. When all you do is fuss and fight, I'll be right there. When your man won't treat you right, I'll be right there. When it comes to a woman's love, I'll take you there. Oh yeah, I'm talking woman to woman, 'cause I know how you like to feel. But if he's out there cheating on you, you don't have to be a side piece. If he cheated on you, what you gonna do? You're a damn good woman looking like a queen. Give him the phone, let him keep working while I turn you on. What you really need is a woman's touch, especially when it comes to making love. I'll be your cotton candy liquor when I set you up. Make it feel good, have you begging for more. Screaming, don't stop, get it, let me lick it, rolling in the bed, bump it titty to titty. I know about the hot spot in every position. The juicy fruit tastes on my tongue and it don't come home at night. I'll be right there. When all you do is fuss and fight, I'll be right there. When your man won't treat you right, I'll be right there. When it comes to a woman's love, oh yeah, don't come home at night. I'll be right there. When all you do is fuss and fight, I'll be right there. When your man won't
Closet freak. Oh, I
Hey,
can't help myself.
This is DJ Sporty G.
Everybody gotta know how to keep your business to yourself. I'm a closet freak. Boy, I can't help myself. Everybody gotta know how to keep your business to yourself. If I wake up in the morning and you're laying in my bed, I'ma make you late for work. Won't have time for calling in. Leave the rest of your imagination, location, undisclosed. We can do whatever we want to, just keep it on the low. I'm a closet freak. I can't help myself. Everybody gotta know how to keep your business to yourself. I'm a closet freak. Boy, I can't help myself. Everybody gotta know how to keep your business to yourself. But
To the Mississippi Soul Party. Yeah, we gon' drop it low, yeah. To the Mississippi Soul Party. Do you wanna go? Yeah. To the Mississippi Soul Party. Where you drink and smoke, yeah. To the Mississippi Soul Party. All right. Well, it's Friday night and it's getting late. The bills all paid, y'all, so I can go out and play. I'ma go to the liquor store so I can pull me up some more and get with my friend, y'all. And it was all she wrote. Pulled up to the parking lot and it was thick as hell. Went straight to VIP, super lit as you can tell. When I stepped out my ride, it was all eyes on me. I was dripping in sauce, feeling like boozy, so don't touch my feet. To the Mississippi Soul Party. Yeah. We gon' drop it low,
this club, babe, all night long. You've been sitting over there, staring at me like something wrong. I heard you holler, bag it up, and you gave me that sexy smile. Baby, you sure look good to me, and I like your style. If I bag it up, what you gonna do? If I put it on you, baby, what you gonna do? If I bag it up, what you gonna do? If I put it on you, baby, what you gonna do?
Down in the club where my DJs play. Go DJ, that's my DJ.
Hey,
Having
this is
me a
DJ
good
Sporty G.
time, yeah. And my favorite spot, sipping on some Hennessy, yeah, with lemon on rocks. We're down in the club where my DJs play. Go DJ, that's my DJ. We're down in the all I wanted was an M.A., but all I got was a sweet thing. Working my nookie thing for nothing, 'cause money can't buy me love till I get what I want, baby. Down in the club where I work it just because I wanna tell everybody how I live my L-I-F-E. I wanna tell everybody some party with me.
Listen now, now it's a man I wanna tell y'all a little something about. He looks so good, it's just like candy that melts in my mouth. I can't believe the way he makes me wanna scream and shout. Can I get with you? Take this picture, can we work it out? They say it's unladylike, and I don't wanna sound so bold, but I ain't never been the type to not get what I want. Can you rock me, baby? If you do,
carry a heavy load.
Come on.
I need an obedient man.
Not obedient.
That's gonna do what he been told.
You got it like that?
He want me to bag it up, but I'd rather ride. He like that front and back, but I just wanna ride. There goes my
Trey 7 came to a party. If you didn't know, you better ask somebody. Flow drop the beat, that rock your body. Some drink hen, some drink naughty. Ladies on the floor and they pumping like hottie. Chunking that thing, got me hollering good lord. And 25 them up, the rest of them fall. I shake my leg with somebody, daughter.
Who came to party? We came to party. That's what a party about retarded. Got me started. Southern soul hip hop. Know the party don't stop. Tip top fashion. Hip hop addict. Step off in the club feeling spot clean. Shoot on like a rocket sky high. Y'all mean so fresh, so clean. Get money, y'all mean. Old country boy, 5 heartbeats sing.
Who gonna rock this party like we do? Not nobody. Who gonna rock this party like we do? Not nobody.
Today was rough, I had enough. Then my girl called me, she said, girl, get up. We going out, I don't care what you say. Become Miss Hollywood, we on the way. So I started to get dressed, I gotta look my best. Turned on my music, let me come out this mess. Gotta get my groove back, I'm better than this. I can't let this crazy week cause me to change. Gonna party after the pain, whether it's sunshine or rain.
How I like it. Y'all know how I do
After
it.
the pain,
I gotta have a whole night. I gotta have a full cup of.
Hey, this is DJ Sporty G.
That can satisfy me. A big freak in the daytime. To lay wood like I need. He make love in the midnight. And he sure know how to please. Somebody call him on speed dial, so he can come and rescue me. When I'm in the mood, I know what I want. I ain't worried about Dallin James and not even John. I got this one man that please my soul. When he touch my body, he makes me lose control. I need a man, yeah, that can satisfy me. A big freak in the daytime. To lay wood like I need. He make love in the midnight. And he sure know how to please. Somebody call him on speed dial, so he can come and rescue me. I need that boom boom in the bedroom. Just take your time with me. Don't stop so soon. Don't hold back nothing. Just let it all go. I like to get nasty, all the way to the floor. You can lift me up and all around. Put my legs up real high and flip me upside down. I need a man, yeah, that can satisfy me. A big freak in the daytime. To lay wood like I need. He make love in the midnight.
All ladies to the dance floor.
And he sure know how to please. Somebody call him on speed dial,
And see
so he
y'all,
can come and rescue me.
get in with your feet. Now I know you heard the electric slide, the cha-cha slide, the booty scoot, Mr. Chuck Roberson. But you ain't never done nothing until you done a hot pony slide. Saddle up, throw it to the left, not throw it to the right. Sling it to the front,
one in every city or town. Not bigger than a matchbox, baby. But we like to party and get on down. DJ pumping the music just right. We slow grind all night, yeah. Then we take it to the floor. And we do it like this, a swing out song. Ooh yeah, we like to swing out, y'all. Yes we do. This is our swing out song. Ooh yeah, we like to swing out, y'all. Yes we do.
Well, I met this man in the club one night. He looked so good and his body was tight. He asked me for a dance, then he hit the floor. We started moving, having fun for sure. He held me close, looked into my eyes. He said, can I take you home? I just gotta try, make me shout, ooh, 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 baby. Ooh, ooh, yeah, baby. Make me shout, ooh, 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 ooh. To the bar and bought me a drink. He smelled so good, didn't know what to think. We laughed and partied all night long. This man was something, he had it going on. He held me close, looked into my eyes. He said, baby, can I take you home? I gotta try, make me shout, ooh, ooh, ooh.
Jill of all skills.
There's a voice that whispers through the hurt and it screams, tell me. Seeing tough times don't last, don't last, no. Tough people who don't give up, do. I ain't giving up. So remember the race is not given to the swift, but to the one who endures. So you cannot stop, you gotta keep pushing, grind till you grow, you on your way to the top. You cannot stop, you gotta keep pushing, grind till you grow, you on your way to the top.
Kind of loving you won't forget. I'ma take your whole check. When I put it on you, what happened next? I'ma take your whole check. I need me a man with a whole lot of cash, 'cause I'm a whole lot of woman with a whole lot of class. But when I'm in the bedroom, baby, I don't play. I got that kind of loving that'll make you stay. I can get you right, I can get you going. Come Friday evening, better run them going. When I walk by you, you wanna grab it. Well, where that money at? I know you want me to have it. You keep saying, baby girl, I got it. Well, show me something, better run that wallet. I got that kind of loving. I'ma take your whole check. When I put it on you, what happened next? I'ma take your whole check.
And ride, move it side to side. You gotta work that body, girl, till he just can't handle it. And ride, move it side to side. You gotta work that body, girl, till he just can't handle it.
Hey,
It's Friday
this is
night.
DJ Sporty G.
I'm at the club. Soon as I walk in, fellas start showing me love. I scope it out, see who's looking good. So many fine brothers, I don't know what to do. Ain't no sitting down, gotta get my dance on. I'm walking around, see what's going on. This fine young thing said, wanna dance. Said, come on, baby, let me show you how it's done. I moved it and ride it side to side. Work it out now. Work that body, girl. Show him how you break it down. And ride it side to side. Work it out now. Work that body, girl, till he just can't handle it.
Hey, all my friends, it's Val. I want y'all to meet me down at the hole in the wall. Yeah, we gonna have drinks and all that kind of stuff. Just show up. We're gonna have a ball. Listen, it's Friday and I just got paid. I'm dressed up and my hair is laid. Going out tonight to have some fun. Gonna dance and party till the break of dawn. It's party time.
This cowboy's got a style that's bad to the bone.
Hey,
The things he did to me still got me wearing a smile.
I'm grateful to present to you.
So you ain't had nothing until you've had it, cowboy style. He said, bend over, baby, back that thing up. I'm gonna put you in a huckleberry. I'm gonna make it good and work your while. Yes, I am. 'Cause you ain't had nothing until you've had cowboy style. Woo! Now all you city girls that think you're too pretty, so high class and so sedated, let me tell you something, you've been really missing out. Yeah, 'cause you ain't had nothing until you've had it, cowboy style. He said, bend over, baby, back that thing up. I'm gonna put you in a huckleberry. You handle it good and put your wine. Handle it, baby. Yes, I wanna know. 'Cause you've been dating for a while, boy. It's been a while, and now you say you wanna make love. Are you ready, baby? But before I give you this chocolate cookie, baby, there's one thing that I need to know. Can you handle it? Can you handle it, baby? When I work that middle, when I back it up on ya and make it jiggle. Can I make it jiggle? We don't have to rush. Let's take our time. Come get some of this nookie, make you lose your mind. Ooh, can you handle it? Can you handle it, baby? When you're getting it, getting it. Can you handle it, baby? If I let you hit it, can you handle it? Come on now. When you're getting it, getting it. Can you handle it, baby? If I let you lick it.
All my thick ladies come and slide with me. We got our own dance, come and groove with me.
Hey,
Slide to the left,
Sporty G.
slide to the right. Come, let's groove tonight. All my thick ladies come and slide with me. We got our own dance, come and groove with me. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Come on, thick, come let's groove tonight. Put your left hip in, take your left hip out. Roll those hips and let's work it on out. Put your right hip in, take your right hip out. Roll those hips and let's work it on out. Now work it, now roll it. Come on and work it, y'all. And roll it. Now roll it. Come on and work it, y'all. And roll it. Just roll it. All my thick ladies come and slide with me. We got our own dance, come and groove with me. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Come on, thick, come let's groove tonight. All my thick ladies come and slide with me. We got our own dance, come and groove with me. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Come on, thick, come let's groove tonight.
Found a man to make love to me. He do some things that you won't believe. I finally found a man to do me right. Make love to me every night. I finally found a man that's good to me. Throughout this song, I'm gonna make you see that there ain't no man like you. You give me everything, baby, that I want you to. And I know you love me. Yeah. You make my dreams come true.
What do you really want?
Hey, this is DJ Sporty G
Giddy up, giddy up. Come on. Hold that, give a cup. Giddy up, giddy up. Hold that, give a cup.
Tasha Mack.
This ain't no cab broker, cause I'm ready to see if one of these steel wrestlers can come and bulldog me. He gotta ride me hard, then put me up wet. This gon' be a long ride that he won't forget.
Giddy up, giddy up. Hold that, give a cup. Giddy up, giddy up. Hold that, give a cup.
You're talking about you wanna stand up in it. I wanna see what you're working with. You're always talking about what you got. I wanna know if you got a lot. You're telling your friends what you can do. I'm gonna see, boy, what's up with you. Now if you're ready to do your thing, I'm gonna drop it, baby. Ain't no shame. I'm gonna drop it, baby. Drop it, baby. Rock it, honey. Any way you want it. Any way you can get it. The more you get, the more I want. I'm gonna drop it, baby. Drop it, honey. Yeah, I'm gonna drop it, baby. Rock it, honey. Rock it, honey. Any way you want it. You can get it. Yeah, yeah. The more you get, the more I want. Drop it, baby. Drop it, honey. You want it.
I step in the club, there's something going on. People were dancing to the music, everybody was having fun. The Bibles were right, yeah, my kind of party. The DJ was playing my jam, yeah. I see he's checking me out tonight. He likes the way I'm moving. He likes the way I'm twerking. If I twerk it to the left, do you know what to do? If I twerk it to the right, can you handle it, boo? Right, left, front, back, twerk it all around. Get down. Right, left, front, back, twerk it all around. Get down.
Hey, hey, I see the girl twerking it on the ground. Got that thing cracking, let the red really sound. Meet me outside, I got her sound in my ear. What you drinking under that brown or that clear? Girl, I'm not a player, but I get player of the year. If I can take your heart, like the way you take the dance floor. Yeah, twerk it on the floor, dance girl. You like it?
All night long. If you want me, darling, you better come on. Yeah, ain't no need to rush now. Try to move too fast. 'Cause if you want it, baby, you gotta make it last. 'Cause I want you to take me, rock me all night long. Yeah, I want you to love me, hold me tight in your arms. If you want me, baby, to give it to you, you gotta prove to me, yeah, what you came to do. If you want my loving, baby, you know you got to give it up. You gotta move your hips, baby, if you wanna drive me crazy. Give it up. Well, here we go again with this childish. You know what? You
too old to be playing these games, lying and cheating. The thing about it is, if you can't keep it real, get away from me. All around town, playing me like a fool. Did you think that was cool? Shh. But there's one thing I want you to know, and I want you to hear and understand. But don't play no games with me. Please, baby, please don't play no games with me. Please, baby, please don't play no games with me. I lift you up when you were down. Please don't play I was there when you needed me.
Hey, this is DJ Sporty G.
Gave you all my time. Please don't play no games with me. Please, baby. Please don't play no games with me. Please, baby. Please don't play no games with me. I was there when you needed love. Please don't play no games. I made love to you when you needed love. Money in your pocket. When your friends turn their back on you.
Ain't stand for you to get no shine. Ain't stand for you to get no shine. Feeling all the compliments. Feeling all the compliments. That's already yours and mine. That's already yours and mine. Do you know what thunder stiller? Do you know what thunder stiller? Can't stand for you to get no shine. Can't stand for you to get no shine. Feeling all the compliments. Feeling all the compliments. That's already yours and mine. That's already yours and mine. Can't stand no thunder stiller stealing my shine. Let me get some credit on what's already mine. If I say it's a nickel, you say it's a dime. Don't know why you're always trying to steal my shine. Do you know a thunder stiller? Do you know a thunder stiller? Get no shine. It's hard to find a real stealing all the compliments. That's already yours and mine. So just listen. Yours and mine.
My man wanted to marry me. He said he bought me a diamond ring. The diamond ring didn't shine too bright. Soon as I held it up to the light. Now I don't mind being in love with a man, as long as your love is real. Don't bootleg, baby. Don't bootleg, baby. Don't bootleg, baby. You gotta give me the real deal. Don't bootleg, baby. Don't bootleg, baby. My man bought me a brand new car. He said he'll take me very far. Soon as I drove it around the town, you know that car, it put me down. Now I don't mind being in love with a man, as long as your love is real. Don't bootleg, baby. Don't bootleg, baby. You gotta give me the real deal. Don't bootleg me, baby.
Hey, this is DJ Sporty G with the Texas Fleet DJs on Press Radio. I'm grateful to present to you Southern Soul Lady Salutations.